Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. Today we are going to talk about the Navratri diet, using which you will be able to lose about 4 to 5 kgs in these 10 days. So let's check it out. Our first meal. Our first meal is going to be banana milkshake. I am using 1 scoop of whey protein. This is completely optional, you can either skip it. 1 banana, 1 cup of milk. For seasoning, grounded cinnamon and peanut butter. This is 100% peanut butter. This has no salt. Okay, so here goes 1 scoop of whey protein. You can use plant-based protein, and 1 cup of milk. I'm taking whole milk. You can take half and half or skimmed milk, and then peanut butter, please check the ingredients when you buy peanut butter from the market. Most of the time it has hydrogenated oil or salt and many other things, so make sure it is organic peanut butter, and some grounded cinnamon for the flavor. All you have to do is add all these ingredients in a mixer and just grind it smooth. This is full of protein, good fat, nutrition, and it will keep you full for long, at least 2-3 hours. So during your fasting, it will keep you full. It will not make you hungry or binge for any food. So here is the banana milkshake. Top it off with some grounded cinnamon powder if you like to, and have it. That's it. It is pretty easy. You can replace milk with coconut water if you have allergy with dairy, lactose intolerance or anything. You can replace milk with coconut water or simply water. Give it a try. It is really tasty, very, very delicious. Moving on to meal number 2, which is filled of nuts. Here I am taking, so I'm going to measure. I don't want to overdo on nuts. These are high in calories. While on being fasting, I want to make sure I'm getting all the nutritions. So I'm taking 28 grams of almonds. You can take any nuts, maybe pistachios or cashews. I'm taking almonds, 28 grams of almonds. Yeah, I'm actually measuring it. Okay, and then 3 teaspoons of raisins. You can take black raisins also, those are really good. I'm not soaking them, I'm just having them as is. So here is my meal number 2. Trust me guys, though it looks less in quantity, but when you eat it will make you full. Okay, along with that I am taking 1 cup of Indian tea. You heard it right. So I made this tea with jaggery instead of sugar. This is really very filling and tasty with full of nutritions. Alright, here let's move on to our third meal. So I'm taking sweet potatoes. I'm boiling them. Once these are boiled, just peel off the skin and you can have them. These are rich in complex carbs, very, very, very nutritious. Try them out. You can grill them if you don't like to boil, but trust me, the taste is amazing. Either you boil it or grill it. I'm not putting any seasoning. As you know, I'm fasting, so I'm not. Just plain. Already, so here comes the option meal number 4. So I took milk, boiled it and added half to 1 lemon and made this paneer cottage cheese. Either you can add some jaggery over it or just have it. So it is like scrambled paneer or scrambled cottage cheese. These are very filling. And if you are working out during Navratri, then I would suggest having at least 3 to 4 dates as pre or post workout. This will give you enough energy. Alright friends, so throughout the day make sure that you can at least have 1 to 2 bowl full of fruits, different kind of fruits, or you can have coconut water with the malai. This will keep you hydrated. And do not forget to have at least 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. It will keep you hydrated. So that's all friends. I hope you are enjoying this Navratri. A very happy Navratri from Fat to Fitness to all of you. Thank you.